Hi, my name's Vedant.
And my name is Vatsal.
Welcome to a new episode of Insights by Marudhar.
Let's go.
Namaste, my friends. Today I have something special to share with you. This is about the magic that goes inside making the perfect shoe. This incredible shoe upper is made using Marudhar's Superfine Microfiber Suede. And I'm going to show you what makes it so exceptional. Now, let me tell you why you should use Marudhar's Superfine Microfiber Suede for your heel grip. Firstly, it's super soft, making sure that your customers get the comfort that they deserve. Secondly, there is a color consistency, thereby ensuring you get no color variations throughout the roll. Third, it's production friendly and very easy to use. And look at this, our shade card, which offers a rainbow of colors for any occasion or for any type of footwear that you'd like to create. Superfine Microfiber Suede is free from banned chemicals. We have got you covered, whether it's the Indian markets or global exports.